Yeah. Nas, Emily, Rudimental. Just trying to find my way home. Home sweet home.
I don't do yoga, never try Pilates. Not many people want me at their parties. Trying to find my place, someplace. Oh why, oh why, oh why? And I drink a little more than recommended. This world ain't exactly what my heart expected. Trying to find my way some way. Oh why, oh why, oh why? Señor, say la vie. Maybe something's wrong with me, but at least I am free. Oh, I am free.
The Lord said, vengeance is mine. So if you're duplicitous mind, you gotta be insane not to see. You want the game to be what the game cannot be. It's a heavy chain that locks he who cannot mentally be free. So there he is for eternity. I don't let nothing worry me. My boy just came home from serving 3 years. His girl loves someone else and he fears he's going through something else to someone to put himself back in the trap. Cause he couldn't adapt in the streets. Only in jail he feels